right? Tuesday morning. How we doing? How we doing, guys? Coach Burt. Thought I would bring you a different kind of message this morning. At my house, getting ready. I've got some big coaching sessions today, and going to be filming some new stuff with me and Dr. Kevin Elko, 31-time national championship coach. Coached to Nick Saban and some of the top people in the world. He's working with the Bulls. What's up, Brett McDaniel? David, good morning to you. Good morning to you, guys. I'm Coach Michael Burt. I believe everybody needs a good coach in life. You know, I bring you all these messages. Thomas C. Davidson from the car. I thought I'd just bring you one from my house. Okay, here in Tennessee. It's cold, but I'm going to get up and just kind of walk around for a minute and give you this message. Daniel Hodges, we always making big moves. And, you know, here's something that I wanted to share with you this morning, because I've been talking about speaking and how speaking drives everything. Folks, this is the truth, Jeff Wright. Every major contract I've ever signed started with me speaking. Every insurance agent we've recruited to our insurance agency, Four Part Financial, started with me speaking. Every real estate deal I've ever done started with me speaking. Every big relationship, like Jeff Wright, Thomas C. Davidson, Sam, who's on here, Jason Wheeler, everybody who's on here started with one thing. Started with me speaking in front of a group of people. So this is why I'm so adamant about this is the future. If you want to drive bulk leads and large numbers of leads to you, you got to have a concept and a message. And you got to be able to share that message with a frequency to large numbers of people and new people, right? You don't need more money, you need more people, because the people have the money. So the question becomes, how do we get in front of more people, right, Sean? And we come up with concepts that attract people. And when we come out with concepts that attract people, we get in front of people and we share those concepts. So we can do it through webinars. We could do it through speaking engagements, which is what I'm going to be doing to like 500 people in Scottsdale this weekend. We can do it at showcase events, Sam. We can do it at free events, paid events, partnership events. We can do it, but the main thing is we got to get in front of more people. See, when you hear me say I drive 3,000 leads every 90 days, I'm not paying for a lot of those leads. We're running a campaign right now to sell my book, Person of Interest. But then that is moving them into a 2-day event with me called Purpose to Profit. And that is intended for me to give people a taste of the ice cream for 2 days, to coach people, to get in front of people and bring value to them. So a percentage of those people will make up their mind that I can help them. Then there's going to be a percentage of people they ain't never going to make up their mind that I can help them. And that's okay. Some people, Rick Short, will watch and watch and watch for long cycles of time until they make a decision. That word means to kill something off. But what I'm trying to drive home to you today is, man, everything I've ever done that was big started with somebody seeing me speak. And this is why I built the Michael Burt School of Speaking, Coaching, and Publishing. This is why I write books. This is why I do webinars like I'm doing next week called Speak and Grow Rich. Because it all goes back, Noel, to the same place. And where it goes back to, it's my home office, where it goes back to is it goes back to me being in front of a group of people, you being in front of another people. So I want to encourage you. Next week I'm doing a webinar called Speak and Grow Rich. And it is literally where I show you 5 strategies to get in front of people with a message, to give a message, to generate lots of leads, to follow up on those leads, and to find and locate a problem that you can help people with. Here's the cycle. Create a concept. The concept's got to solve a problem or enhance somebody's life. Typically, the concept needs to tackle health, wealth, or relationships. You're going to help people get healthier. You're going to help people get wealthier. You're going to help them with the relationships. Those are 3 things people will pay for, right? You're going to present that concept to the marketplace. People are going to be attracted to it. You're going to deliver and over-deliver value, specifically on connection, authenticity, message. Percentage of those people are going to say they want to go deeper with you. You're going to collect that data and information. You're going to follow up with those people, and you're going to locate a problem or find their defining ambition. See how systematic this is? Once you find their defining ambition, you're going to offer them a solution, Matt Insell, to their problems. Money changes hands when problems are solved. The question is, how do you get in front of more people? How do you locate their problems? How do you follow up with people and bring them through to a decision? That word decide means to kill something off. Folks, all I do is break down things into cycles. So this is a formula I use over and over and over. And the formula is, how do I get in front of people? How do I bring real value and over-deliver? How do I attract the right people to me? Not the wrong people, folks. I'm only looking for people looking for me. How do I follow up with those people? How do I find a problem? How do I solve a problem? And how do I help them make a decision to move forward with me? See, that is the cycle over and over and over. I'm going to be talking about this next week, I think Tuesday. I'm doing a webinar called Speak and Grow Rich. And I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being a high school basketball coach to building a multi-million-dollar coaching business that is now building insurance agencies, mortgage companies, real estate companies, CRM companies. Man, it just goes on and on, Jeanette. It just goes on and on. Oh, coach is getting out there, right? And we're doing all kinds of big things. So come on board, man. If you guys want to be involved with something we're doing, just message me. Say, man, I want to be involved. Looks like this train is moving, and I want to be on board. All right? Now, I'm headed out to the lodge. Me and Kevin Elko, that's Saban psychologist, going to spend a day breaking down concepts for some new content that we have coming out on the science of winning. So be on the lookout. Free webinar. See you guys. Have a great day.
Being coached by Coach is one of the best decisions that I've made. I'm making 3 times more money than I was before working with him.
Coach has this energy that when you leave, you feel like you have just started on the best and newest venture ever.
He broke it down from the A to the Z. Great material, amazing guy. Plan on being here the following year as well.
This guy operates at a whole nother level of greatness. His legacy selling system, $1 Million Follow-Up, and becoming a person of interest systems and methodology has taken me to a whole nother level in my life and in my business.
I find Coach very humble, but he's also very direct. And when he looks at you, he's looking right into your eye, and he believes in what he's doing, and that gives me the confidence to believe in what I need to do.
A coach is to get you to perform and execute at a much higher level, and I'm super excited to have Coach Bird in our business and my life.
I have the utmost respect for Coach because what he gives us, he's walking in his own life, and he makes that transparent test. So I get chills when I talk about him like I'm getting right now.
Coach not just talks it, he walks it. He lives it, his team lives it, his people here. You feel it when you walk into the room, you can tell. It's organized, it's structured, it's intentional.
Every single time it reactivates my prey drive, makes me want to be just more and more a part of getting that content internalized for myself and also getting that out to my team.
Something magical about being coached by Coach. You know, he looks you in the eye, he tells you maybe not always what you're looking for, but he tells you exactly what you need to hear.
Taught me how to structure my system, taught me how to structure my business, taught me how to sell on my beliefs. And I'm telling you, if you have any reserves, if you're second guessing, should you come and get around Coach, you don't need to think no more. You just need to take actions and trust your instincts, because getting around Coach in this environment and his energy will take your game to that next level, take your thought process to that next level.